This video will show you how to convert ISO file to AVI format so that you can play the video on your handy device. First, install and run Joyoshare Converter. Click this button to add ISO files, or you can directly import ISO files to the program. You can rename the file if you need it. Now, click the Format button. Choose High-Speed Mode to convert ISO to AVI without quality loss. Choose AVI as output format. Click OK. If you want to edit the video, you can choose Encoding mode. You can select format from Device, HD video, Web video, General video, and General audio. Click this small gear. You can change codec, resolution, frame rate, and bit rate. Tap on the Edit button. In this new window, you can change video, adjust video, add effect, add watermark, embed subtitles, as well as edit audio. If you don't need to edit the video, here we suggest choosing high-speed mode. You can merge all files into one by checking this option. Now you can press the Convert button to begin the conversion. Click Convert it to chat video. In this tab, you can preview the video. And take a snapshot.